subscribe.
Hey guys, it's me, Talia Arisa Gibson. You can call me Tag for short, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a recipe that I got from a cookbook. It's a turkey chili. Before I get started, be sure that you like, comment, hit that bell notification so you'll know when I post, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe and join me here on my channel. Let's get started. Okay, so I am heating up a pan and I'm going to add some guajillo chili, 3 of these, and I'm also going to add the chili ancho chili, 1 of these. Okay, so just going to have them go for about 1 minute on each side. And these are dried chilies. So I'm gonna let them go for about 1 minute on each side. Okay, so I'm going to now move these chilies. And what I'm gonna do now, so now that I have these chilies toasted about 1 minute on each side, I'm going to remove the stems and shake out the seeds. Quite a few seeds in here. Oh. Now that I have de-seeded the chilies, I cut them up a little bit so they could fit in the bowl that I have here. And now I have some boiling water that I'm going to add 2 cups and submerge these peppers in the boiling water to let these soften. So then I'm going to cover them for about 20 minutes until they are soft. Then I will blend them so that we have a chili paste for our turkey chili. I think I'm gonna go ahead and use the rest of this water, since it's not very much more. All right, so I'm going to make sure that all the chilies are submerged in that water. And I'm just gonna simply cover them for about 20 minutes, and I'll place this to the side. So this is the book. It's called Food, Health, and Happiness. It's actually by Oprah Winfrey. It's a cookbook my aunt gave to me, And so the recipe is on page 32 and 33 in the book here, and I don't know if you can see that very well, but that's the book. And so I decided I wanted to give it a try to see how it is. Okay, so now I'm going to chop up a yellow onion, about a medium-sized yellow onion. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut up 2 bell peppers. I'm gonna use half of the yellow and half of the red. One jalapeno. Okay, so I have the peppers, onions cooking, and now I'm going to add the turkey meat. Okay, so I'm going to start seasoning. I'm going to add some chili powder. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of cumin, ground cumin. Ground coriander seed, about a tablespoon. About a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Add some minced garlic. I'm going to use about 2 spoonfuls. I'm going to add a little bit of onion powder. A little bit of ground parsley. add about a teaspoon of salt, some black pepper, garlic powder, I have some petite diced tomatoes, 1 can, two cups of chicken broth, low sodium chicken broth, Alright, so while I let that come to a boil, I'm going to check on my chilies, which are now soft. And now nice and soft. You can see them here. Alright, so you can see my chilies here. So I ended up having to put it in my blender because it wasn't mixing together very easily in my little mini food processor. So this is a finished result of it. You can see it here, just like a paste. Stir this up. I'm gonna add 1 bay leaf. Give it another stir. Add some kidney beans, and I'll let these, I'll have to drain these and rinse them before I add them. All right, so it has a good boil now. Now I'm going to go ahead and cover and lower the temperature and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. Okay guys, so while the chili is simmering, I am going to open the kidney beans, rinse them, drain them and rinse them. Then I also have another recipe that I'm gonna work on for part 2 of my meal prepping for the week. So first thing first, I have a heated pan and I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil, onions, finely chopped onions, I'm also going to add some red and yellow bell pepper that I had from my chili, the other halves. And I'm going to let these just soften up and let the onions become a little translucent. Then I'm going to remove them from the pan and then cook the turkey meat. Then I'll add these back to the pan. Okay, so my chili has finished simmering for the 30 minutes. So now I'm going to add my kidney beans. It's 2 cans that I drained and rinsed. I'm gonna mix those in. I'm gonna add a little bit more chili powder. Alright, so I'm gonna turn these up a little bit and then I'm gonna let it cook down for about 10 minutes. All right, guys, so the chili is all done. In the next video, you'll see me eating it in a mukbang. So I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and always hit that bell notification so you'll know when I post.